मुखड़ा चंदा टुकड़ा नी तेरी अनक तेरे शू क्या बात है क्या बात है नी तेरा.
Before starting the video, guys, please subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to Dr. Explorer, and today we are going to explore GK1 M Block Market. Now guys, here I would like to mention that there's GK1 and there's GK2, दो अलग अलग है, and it's very easy to confuse because दोनों में ही M market है. I got confused and मुझे बहुत time लगा इस market को ढूंढने में. So here you make sure that you go to GK1 M Block Market. Guys, we'll be exploring the entire market, and here I would like to show the first offline club factory store that is here. एक short video में आपको नजर आएगा कि यहाँ पर क्या क्या available है. So guys, the store is in the basement of KUNCHALS, and here I would like to tell you that jewellery का जो कलेक्शन है वो काफ़ी हद तक सेम था, बहुत सारा कलेक्शन था, बट क्लोथिंग का कलेक्शन बहुत कम था, बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द क्लोथिंग वॉज वेरी गुड एज कम्पेयर टू दैट अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्लब फैक्ट्री क्लोथ्स ऑनलाइन, एंड उसकी क्वालिटी जो दिखती है वो बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं होती है. So guys, here I would like to also tell you, because आप खुद ही समझ सकते हैं कि because the quality was good, so the price was also a little high. Also, there's a lot of footwear collection and winter collection, and they told me that अभी और collection आएगा, so if you want to go, you can go and check it out. They didn't allow me to take the video, so बहुत ही short में मैंने एक जल्दी से video बनाने की कोशिश करी. Hope this is helpful. The location can be a little difficult to find, so I've also tried to give you the link to the location. So guys, let's have a look of the first offline club factory shop. I tried to explore the entire market, and I did so, and here I found that सबसे best जो आपको earrings मिलेंगी वो चावला ज्वेलर्स के नीचे ही मिलेंगी, and he sits here only, so you can come and check it out. And the earrings ranged from 200 to 1200 based on what you're looking for, and all of these were really beautiful. So they were really heavy earrings जो कि actually wedding में पहने जाते हैं, and different है. You will not find something like this in sarojini or in lajpat, and ये online भी मैंने देखे हैं, and online ये सब 500-600 में मिलते हैं. So here I found that थोड़ा चीप भी है और बहुत अच्छा है. And guys, I tried a lot of them, or some of them you can say, and as you can see, and it looks really very pretty, as you can see guys, and they're really big झुमकास, like काफ़ी heavy earrings है, लेकिन बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत खूबसूरत लगने वाले earrings हैं. And guys, here I would like to tell you that they might look very heavy, but they were very lightweight, and during this party and wedding season, I think it would go perfect. So you should just come and check it out. That's all I'm saying. So guys, GK market is a posh market, and so here you'll find a lot of showrooms and shops. But apart from that, the flea market, the prices here is very costly and is on like higher prices than you will find in Sarojini or Lajpat. And so if you come here, I would really suggest you not to buy slippers or kurtas because they are very very high as compared to Lajpat. If you are somebody who can discount very easily, get a discount very easily, bargaining आपकी क्वालिटी है, then you can try because you're ready to bargain. But other than that, if you can't bargain, then यहाँ से आप बहुत ही महंगे चीज़ें खरीदेंगे. But if you are somebody who likes going to and exploring markets, then you should definitely come and see here, because obviously every market has its own essence and every market has a lot of different things to give to you and offer you. So you should just go and check it out. Guys, this market is closed on Tuesday. By saying that market is closed, I mean that all the shops and the showrooms are closed on Tuesday, but the flea market is very much open. So if you go on Tuesday, you'll find only the flea market or functional. With this, guys, it's time for me to say bye bye. Take care. Please do subscribe, keep liking, keep commenting as what you'd like me to do next, and hit the bell icon.